Stop by and take a look at the 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, heated seats, 4-wheel drive, Bose sound system, power passenger seat, traction control, XM satellite radio, running boards, anti-lock braking system. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our 117-point inspection, 2 great GM warranties, free vehicle history report, and more, you can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries.